Hey friends, so we're looking at question 77 from the homework, this crazy little train problem, and it talks about this railway car being a certain distance that the train travels. So up this hill the train travels almost 900 feet. They've measured this angle of inclination in degrees, and we're rising to this feet. We want to know, find the vertical rise of the inclined plane, find the elevation, and then figure out how fast the car is moving upward. So the first thing I think I should probably clarify is this 1693.5 feet they're talking about is from sea level. So they're not showing the whole picture. Like, imagine the sea being way down here. Is this entire distance is like that almost 1700 feet. And they're asking us to find this distance here. So at the end of the day, what we're looking at is a right triangle where we know that the hypotenuse is at almost 900 feet, that 896.5. We know this angle of inclination in degrees. And then we're trying to figure out what that vertical component is. So it's a matter of determining which trig function to use. So I'm looking at what I have here, and based on the angles and the sides that I have, and those sides and how they relate to the angle, I'm going to pick either sine, cosine, or tangent. So this is the angle I have. The side that I'm interested in is the opposite side, and the side that they gave me is the hypotenuse. So I just need to be like, which trig function uses opposite and hypotenuse? Hopefully you're thinking sine. So to do part A, we're just going to say, not in red, but in beautiful green, that the sine of that 35.4 degree angle is going to equal, I don't know what, over that 896.5. And so this missing side ends up being, I'll try to write this part more neatly, 896.5 times the sine of 35.4, which I'm going to pause and do on a calculator. But I'm going to make sure my calculator is in degree mode because this angle is definitely in degrees. So let's quick pause. When I do all that stuff on my calculator, I get a value of like 519. And I'm going to always go to 3 decimal places to prepare you guys to prepare you. It's one of the things I want you to do in AP. 3 decimal places of accuracy. Nice thing though about the 3 decimal places, that last decimal, you can truncate it or you can round it. Meaning, like, this actually should like round to 0.326 if you look at the value on your calculator, but if you write 0.325, that's okay too, as long as it's 3 decimal places. That's how that goes. Next video I'll talk about part B, so I hope this helps. If not, shoot me an email. We'll talk in office hours. We'll get it straightened out. I know you can do this.